Welcome to LAAS Technologies, where learning meets opportunity. In this video, we are going to learn about Azure Bootcamp with Terraform by LAAS Technologies. What industry is expectation? So these days, like company today expectations like from the professional who can automate, deploy, and manage infrastructure seamlessly across cloud platforms. With Azure DevOps and Terraform, you are not just learning tools; you are mastering industry required expectation. It means like the industry is expecting who can develop the DevOps pipelines. They can able to deploy uh, to the services of Azure or AWS or GCP. So using the IaC pipelines. First of all, like you create IaC pipelines, and after that you do like creating a creating applications deployment and creating a pipeline, and with that pipeline like you are deploying your all the applications uh, uh, to the like various services of Azure. So in this class we are going to discuss about all these bootcamp related activities, and once you learn this bootcamp and training, you will be able to fit in the company designations like DevOps engineer in Microsoft Technologies, site reliability engineer, cloud deployment specialist, infrastructure automation engineer. So apart from that, various roles are available, and various roles are having with the client to client specific, and these are all the major activities of our designations in the companies right now. And technical activities in Azure DevOps. So once you join with this bootcamp and followed by with the full training and all, so you will be hands on with real world DevOps activities including CI/CD pipeline creation, infrastructure provisioning, code repository integration, release and deployment management. So in this bootcamp we are going to take one application, and with taking from the Git or GitHub, and we will be creating one CI/CD pipeline of YAML. And once the pipeline is created, then we'll be deploying to the various services in Azure, like uh, app services or VMs or any Kubernetes or other any other services. So we'll be showing all these services. Out of all the services, one services, and followed by we'll be covering with uh, compute, what is storage, and what is networking in Azure. So these are all the high level of bootcamp activities. Azure DevOps with high level overview, like we'll be taking here what is how can you add code in the repositories, how to do the branching strategies, branching policies, merging activities. Once the code is ready, then we'll be taking this code uh, to the various services of the Azure, and how do you maintain the compute, and what are the activities in the storage, or what are the different types of storage, and what are the networking activities in Azure. So majorly like in networking, we can able to add, create like a VNet, subnet, firewalls, app balancing, and app load balancing, and various types of other networking concepts we'll be covering here in high level. And also like we'll be taking out to Terraform fundamentals and advanced usage. How do you write the major components of Terraform, and what are the core concepts of Terraform? Everything we'll be covering in this bootcamp. And and with parallelly we are doing with the real world Azure deployment architecture. So once this is completed, then we'll be covering end to end of application deployment and the CI pipeline, and the services of one service will be taking up. Once this pipeline bootcamp is completed, then we'll be automatically based on your interest, we'll be starting this full training. So in full training, what are the activities we are going to cover? So if you want to learn about those, please reach out to get in touch with register for boot camps and full training. These are all the areas you can register with us. So please stay touch with us. Learn, build, succeed with LAAS Technologies. Thank you.